I just want to show you guys something really awesome that might inspire you. I just got a message from my father, and it almost brought me to tears because, well, you'll see. So this is a picture of my dad's backgammon board that he just built for a friend of ours. And he says, finished Phil's backgammon board today, take a look. And I said, oh, nice. He says, then pay attention to this. He says, this is the kind of thing I like to do in my golden years, as you put it. However, I wouldn't be able to do it if I was struggling along with Social Security. So thank you. Thanks, Dad. And so the point is this, I can brag, and other people can brag about their houses and their cars and yachts. And I can go, oh, look at my penthouse and all that. But to be honest with you, this is cool. It's really cool. I like waking up in a $2 million penthouse. I like flying out and going on my yacht. I like it. But at the end of the day, nothing compares to getting a message from my father that literally says he can sit around and make a backgammon board and enjoy that and not have to worry about paying his bills. Because I pay all his bills. I pay my mother's bills, I pay my father's bills, I bought my mom a house, I bought my dad a house, and I was able to do so because I learned the one skill that will pay the bills, and that's creating an online business that allows you to work from, that's right, the couch. And the truth is, I've started a lot of business, I've worked in a lot of business. The number one business is selling information. It's selling information online. And I wrote a best-selling book on that, Digital Millionaire Secrets. This book has helped a lot of people. I've decided that I want to help 100 people quit their jobs in the next 60 days. And specifically, complete beginners. I'm talking about, I get it. There's a lot of people that are already in internet marketing and they're already into wanting to sell courses. But what if you're not? What if you're a complete beginner that you don't know where to start and you just need some help getting started? Believe it or not, anybody can sell information. Anybody can sell online courses and make a ton of money, at least enough to quit your job, let alone help your parents. And it's just amazing. You got to start though. You got to get involved. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave a link below this video. I want you to join my brand new group. It's called F the 9 to 5. F the 9 to 5. And I have a new ebook coming out. I'll show you a picture of the ebook. I have a new ebook coming out that I think you're going to want to get. And this is the cover. This is cool. F the 9 to 5, 7 steps to firing your boss in the next 30 days by selling your first info product by Dan Henry. I'm going to release that book only in the group. The only way to get that book, that ebook, is to go in the group. So I'm going to leave a link in this YouTube video on how to go and join that group. I'll leave a link to that group. You join that group, and the only thing I ask is, tell other people about the group. Be supportive. Be in the group, and just engage. And participate. Tell other people about it, and be a thriving part of the community. Because I want you to be able to do what I've done and get messages like that from my father. It's just so awesome. All right, so click the link included in this video. Go to that group. We'll approve you in the group, and I'll be dropping tons of fire in there, including that book. I can't wait to see you soon. All right, peace.